Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I have a really exciting video that I'm so excited to share with you guys, and that is a dupe video. And I am going to be comparing the Buxom lip polishes, which are my all-time favorite lip product of life. I love them. I've loved them for years. To my surprise, you best believe I was so excited when I saw that Morphe came out with a plumping lip gloss, and it's pretty dang similar. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this video and show you guys a wear test, show you guys side by side of the colors, because these are actually, well, I have found a complete dupe for this color right here in the Buxom, and I'm just going to kind of go and talk about the similarities and differences, if there are any, in the Buxom and the Morphe. So if you guys like this video, definitely make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here, especially if you love all things beauty and fashion, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So the other day, I was looking on Ulta's website and I noticed that they had a plumping lip gloss, and I was like, let me try it. And I had no idea that it was going to be a dupe for the Buxom lip polishes. So let me kind of go into some specs real quick. If you get the Buxom lip polish full size, this is $21 and you get 4.4 milliliters, okay? The Morphe ones, which let me add also that Morphe is on the drug side of Ulta. So you know Ulta is constantly coming up with their $3.50 off coupons and all of that. So you actually can get this if you use that $3. Well, you're gonna have to spend a little bit more, because it's $3.50 off of $15. So say you spend $15, you can actually get this for $8.50. So yeah, so currently Morphe only has 10 colors to choose from, whereas Buxom, they have been around forever. I don't even know how many, because they also have like the Buxom full-on plumping lip polish, and they have like the lip gloss. Then they have like, so they have so many different colors. Like right here, with their full-on plumping lip polish, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Oh my gosh, 37 of the Buxom lip polishes. And like I said, they also have they also have the full-on plumping lip cream, which there's a ton of colors in that as well. So yeah, Buxom definitely has one up, but Buxom also, this is what they're known for, this is what they do, and they've been doing it for years. So here is the color Celeste, which is a very popular color as well. These are pretty much identical in colors. The only difference is that the Morphe one is a tiny bit more pigmented, but look at these two. So this one right here is the Morphe, and this one right here is the Buxom. So do y'all see how similar they are in color? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one on one side, one on the other. I'm going to see if one plumps a little bit more than the other, and if one has a little bit more of that tingling action. Now I will say that Buxom is not like super intense high tingle, which is why I love it so much. It's not painful. I'm gonna go ahead and put one on one side and one on the other. I will say that also the Morphe formula is a lot thinner than the Buxom polishes as well. Now I know because these are glosses, they're not the most long wear or anything like that. But yeah, when I tried this on yesterday, I was like, this is so similar to a Buxom lip polish that I already have. And it's one of the more popular ones too. So I'm like, I have got to do this video. So that is the Morphe lip polish. Let me turn down my lighting a little bit so you can see it a little bit better, I think. Okay, so you see this right here? So it definitely plumped like a little tiny little bit, okay? Now I'm going to go in with the Buxom, and like I said, it is definitely thicker, a thicker formula. It has a thicker feel to it. Look at that. All right, I'm going to wait. I usually notice when I start to kind of like really rub my lips together is when the plumping action kind of really starts. And honestly, y'all, Do you see? This is the Buxom side. This is the Morphe side. The Morphe side is more, granted it's also been on my lips longer than the Buxom one has, but it's definitely more plump than this side is. 12 bucks, y'all. Seriously, go get these. I'm gonna go. I don't know if I love the sheerness of this one. I don't like my lip polishes to be super pigmented, and that's how Buxom are. So even if you get a more like a berry shade, it's gonna give you that nice wash of color. It's not going to be super intense, and that's why I love these so much as well. Now this has been on my lips for a minute. I still see that this one is like the slightest bit bigger than this side, but the tangle on them is both of them identical. So yeah, I am literally obsessed with this new find of mine. I'm really starting to get the full tingle action now, and they both feel pretty similar. The Morphe seems like it has a slight more of a tingle, but it's not that bad. It just feels so cooling and so amazing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed the comparison. Definitely go try these Morphe Make It Big lip gloss, yeah, plumping lip glosses, and let me know what you think, especially if you have tried the Buxom lip polishes. I'm very, very, very impressed. I definitely am going to have the Buxom and the Morphe ones linked down below in the description box. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this little dupe comparison of the Morphe Mega Big to the Buxom lip polish. What are these called? Full on, hold on. Yeah, I was right. Full on pumping lip polish. Have an amazing day. Subscribe if you are new here. Don't forget to like this video. Put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want to see me review next, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.